Hi, do you remember those good times when you could ride around your bike? Well, those tiny little cars that you had when you were a little kid, when you were about 3 or 4. Well, there's about 2 kids right now. They're about to attempt it. They're big for this car. They are kind of older for this thing, and we're doing this cold rain. So here goes. Wow. They actually turned.
That was the most awesomest thing ever. Yeah!
I did not like your turn.
That was my excellent. Yeah. We will now redo it.
Let me go on with you guys.
What?
Let me go on with you guys.
Fine.
Get over. Dude.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Go faster!
Dude, man, I gotta fall off. I'm gonna fall off.
Your problem!
No, Jay. Oh. 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 I just fell off. They did it on accident.
It was awesome! We turned around!